Hello everyone, I'm Christina B Rising and welcome to Rising to Be, the only place on the internet where I help you rise to be who you want to be, helping you rise to be productive, organized, and inspired. Because as we rise to be, we are becoming who we want to be. I upload every Thursday and Sunday, and on Thursdays I post motivational and productivity videos, and on Sunday I post planner and organization videos to help you on your journey of rising to be who you want to be. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can become a riser. Don't act like the fake people that stop by and watch my videos but never click the like button. I just want you to know I see you and you're petty. Stop being fake and click like. It's free, I promise. And click that bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Sometimes YouTube likes to hide my videos if you don't also click the bell. So make sure you do that as well. Now that you've liked and subscribed, I have to say that you are truly a blessing for clicking on my videos, so thank you. I'm really trying to get monetized in these YouTube streets, so thank you. Hello cats and kittens, and welcome to Rising to Be. I just got done rewatching Tiger King on Netflix, so that's why I'm saying hello cats and kittens, but here is my actual intro. Hello and welcome to Rising to Be, where I help you rise to be who you want to be. As you can see, today's video is a little bit different today because again we have 5 weeks in May, and typically on Sunday I do a planner video, but since we're all out of planners because I only have 4 planners, and those 4 planners are my daily planner, my budget planner, and my faith planner, as well as my wellness/fitness happy planner. But we have 5 weeks, so I figured that for this empty video I would fill it in with my nail routine. I typically do a gel set, and here are some of the products. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to do an at-home manicure at your house. Alright, stay tuned if you're interested. So I have this gel polish color that I got from Sally's, and I'll make sure to link all of my products down below. Alright, so let's get started. First, you want to start off with clean, dry nails, and you want to get some sort of buffer to just take off that natural shine from your nails. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get started. You never want to over buff your nails, so I like to just buff a little bit to get that shine off, and just enough so that gel polish can adhere to your nails really good, because when you don't buff your nails, then the gel polish will peel off in a matter of days. But when I've noticed that whenever I buff, my polish stays on longer. So that's just a little tip. Now I'm not saying you're gonna buff off your entire nail, just do a little rough buffing for 5 seconds and you should be good. Next, we're gonna clip, because my nails are a bit long right now and they're not even, they're all different lengths, and it's driving me crazy. So let's do that. Alright, now that that's done, we can get started. So we're going to use this bonder, which is really great for adhering your polishes to your nails. And then next, after that, we're going to use this foundation, which you put on before the actual polish. And then once the polish is on, then you move on to the top it off, and that's just your top coat basically. And these two are from Gelish. I highly recommend you get these. But I've only been able to find the minis. I really want the full bottle, so if you know of any website that has the full bottle, please let me know down below in the comments. I would greatly appreciate it. Stay up to date with everything Rising to Be by signing up to the weekly newsletter. It's filled with blogs, videos, exclusive freebies, and so much more to help you rise to be who you want to be. Create results, not plans. Don't stop rising. If you're watching on IGTV, you can sign up through my link in bio. Keep rising. Follow me on Instagram at Rising to Be for motivational content, and Twitter at I am Rising to Be for inspirational tweets. Follow me on Pinterest at Rising to Be for several boards of inspiration and motivation. And join the Rising to Be Facebook group at Rising to Be. Keep rising. Alright, so we're going to put bonder on a few of my nails. And we're just going to cure that for 60 seconds. And I got this nail lamp from Amazon, so I'll leave that link down below, and a lot of these other nail supplies that I'm using, just so that you can build your nail collection as well. Just gonna add this foundation. I'm just gonna do a nice little thin layer because I don't want my nails to be bulky. Especially since I cut my nails so short, I really don't want that bulky look. Making sure I get all of those little crevices. I'm just going to cure that for 120 seconds. Check out my Rising to Be time blocking printable to help you find more time in your day to increase your productivity so that you can get more done. Time blocking allows for you to manage your time and split your day into blocks of time. Take control of your day and how you spend your time. Finally, get everything done on your to-do list by scheduling the time for every task you have and accomplishing it, and only that for that block in your day. By having your day blocked out in advance, you won't have to wonder what task to focus on next. You'll just move on to the next task and complete it. You can download my printable from my Etsy store, Rising to Be. Keep rising to be who you want to be. Neutral, low ink, and editable options. Available on my Etsy store, Rising to Be. Alright, now that that's done, we're going to add our gel polish. I'm just going to do another thin layer, because again, we don't like bulky nails. And I clearly don't have a brush to get around these edges, but it's best if you use a brush that's been dipped in some nail polish remover just to clean up those edges. But today I don't have one for some reason. I can't find my brushes, but I do know I needed my nails done. Priorities. Stop forgetting to buy that almond milk from the grocery store and use my Rising to Be grocery list, helping you make every grocery run productive instead of running around the store grabbing things you don't need. Keep focused and stay on budget using the different grocery categories. Cut down on the amount of time you spend in the store. Track your grocery store pickups so that you won't make the mistake of buying things twice when you already have 3 tubes of toothpaste at home. My Rising to Be grocery list will help you and your household stay in sync and help you shop with purpose instead of buying what you don't need. You can download the printable from my Etsy shop, Rising to Be. Take the fuss out of what you're having for dinner using my Rising to Be meal planner printable, helping you prep your meals ahead of time and saving you money on unnecessary takeout you don't need. Plan out your favorite meal for the week or finally try out that new recipe you've been dying to try. No matter what you cook, just make sure that you have a plan. You don't want to be at the stove cooking and then realize you're missing a highly important ingredient that can easily mess up the entire meal unless you add it to the recipe. In order to kick your takeout habit, we have to first fill our fridge with better options. My Rising to Be meal planner printable will help you plan your meals for the week and help you to track what you're eating in your day. You can download the printable from my Etsy shop, Rising to Be. Keep rising to be who you want to be. Neutral, low ink, and editable options. Available on my Etsy store. Rising to be. We're going to cure that for 120. And even though that's just one coat, it's covering pretty darn well. So I think I might only need 2 coats. So this just might be a quick mani. And then another 120 seconds. Alright, now that that's dry, I'm going to add my final touch, which is this top coat. It's called Top It Off by Gelish. And then I can get started on my thumb. I like to do it this way because sometimes I take my nails out a bit too early and they're not even dry. I do get a bit impatient, so this is one way to foolproof not messing up my nails. Alright, now that that's done, we're gonna dry for 120 so it can be fully cured. Check out my Rising to Be Brain Dump Printable. Organize your life and day. Sometimes when our minds are scattered, we just need some clarity. By clearing our minds of what's weighing us down, we can easily get more done on our to-do list. Start taking control of your day by sorting out your priorities into different categories like home, health, work, and school. Start tackling those tasks in the category of your choosing, or you can use the Brain Dump Printable for those random reminders that pop up in your head while you're working. Just jot them down in the specific category so you won't forget to do it in your day or week. Only you can make today a good day or a bad day. The choice is yours using my Brain Dump Printable. Change your day to change your life. You can download the printable from my Etsy shop, Rising to Be. Keep rising to be who you want to be. Neutral, low ink, and editable options. Available on my Etsy store, Rising to Be. Use my code RISINGTOBE to save 24% on your entire order. Offer ends April 28th. Alright, so now that that's dry, I'm going to use this nail polish remover because I'm all out of alcohol. My store still hasn't recovered from the whole virus slash, you know, the situation we had where everybody was buying all the hand sanitizer. And because of that, all the alcohol is still gone. So we're going to use this nail polish remover instead, just to get rid of that sticky layer on my nails. Alright, so let's move on to the thumb. I'm going to use the bonder again. Well, no, that's the base coat. I want to use the bonder so that way the base coat can adhere better to my nails. And then next we're going to do foundation. And again, we're going to do a thin layer because I hate bulky nails, especially when my nails are this short. So we're going to put that on. And now I'm going to use a second coat of this gel polish because it's pretty thick. That's why I like to use a bit of dark colors, so that way I can not do, 7 coats of a polish. Because that's typically what happens when you do lighter colors. And I'm gonna do this top coat, top it off. Now we're gonna start on our other hand, my right hand, which is my dominant hand. So since I'm doing it with my left hand, it takes me a little bit longer, but patience is key. Now we're gonna use this foundation, and we're gonna do a thin coat of this as well. Because once again, I hate bulky nails. Sometimes I just got to give that reminder to myself as well. Do a thin coat. Now I can finally add my gel polish, now that that has cured fully. Alright, so here are the final touches of my nails. Please don't judge me too much. It's not the greatest, but it'll do. And here's another shot just a reference of my nails. I do plan on improving and doing more nail videos. So if you like this video, make sure to like and comment. And also make sure to subscribe if you like the channel. I will be back to regular planner videos next Sunday. So keep rising to be who you want to be. Remember, as we rise to be, we are becoming who we want to be. I am Christina B Rising, and I will always be rising. So keep rising to be who you want to be, and click that playlist for more tips to help you keep rising to be who you want to be.